Bugatti Tourbillon is here to redefine luxury and performance, blending tradition with the future. Imagine a car that carries the legacy of the Chiron, but with an all-new heart. It's not just a hypercar, it's a masterpiece. Welcome to luxury. Cars drive. This next-generation Bugatti features a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth, paired with 3 electric motors. Together, they unleash a jaw-dropping 1,800 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds faster than your breath. The top speed, electronically limited, but beyond 400 kilometers per hour. It's not just fast, it's Bugatti fast, the design is an evolution of elegance. From its aggressive C-line profile to its quad-LED headlamps, the Tourbillon looks sculpted by air and speed. The sleek aerodynamic body is paired with active aero features and an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber structure. It's not only beautiful, it's functional down to the last bolt. Step inside, and it's a different world. The interior is an homage to Swiss watchmaking. No giant digital screens here. Instead, a central analog instrument cluster made with crystal glass, aluminum, and titanium sits behind the steering wheel. But don't worry, when needed. A hidden infotainment screen slides out discreetly. It's a limited production model. Only 250 units will be made, and each one costs over $6 This car isn't for everyone. It's for those who want a timeless statement of power and precision. The Bugatti Tourbillon isn't just a car. It's an engineering symphony, a design revolution, and a collector's dream. You're not just buying a machine, you're owning history. Subscribe to Luxury Cars. Drive for more high performance, elegance, and cutting-edge automotive innovation. This is just the beginning.